Hello, Royal Oceancrest investors! Today, I'm going to show you the location of Royal Oceancrest, Mactan. From here, it is just 15 minutes going to Royal Oceancrest site. This way going to Royal Oceancrest, Mactan. From here, it is just 5 minutes. Here we are, the Royal Oceancrest Mactan, the resort type condominium living. From here to Grand Mall, it is just 5 minutes. From here to Mactan Doctors, it is just 5 minutes. From here to beach resorts, it is just 10 minutes. From here to airport and MEPS, it is just 15 minutes. To my Royal Oceancrest investors, this is the construction update of Royal Oceancrest Mactan. I would like to say thank you, everyone, for trusting me. So this is the Royal Oceancrest updates. For those wala pa naka-invest, there is a Royal Oceancrest. Invest na mo, mintas barato pa. O naay kapilian, naay bare unit, o nasa finished unit. Royal Oceancrest Mactan Site Development Plan. The amenities of Royal Oceancrest Mactan. Do you want to invest in Royal Oceancrest Mactan? Please contact Jose Monterola 0915-510-6828 or 0933-868-3994.